The Learning Toolkit provides teachers with opportunity to decide how they want their lessons to look like. The tools within the Learning Toolkit are not prescriptive but adaptive to the learner's experiences, thus providing the teacher with the flexibility of designing their lessons in a customized manner that suits their students. These activities are not only multi-leveled, hence providing opportunities for differentiated and self-paced learning, but also student-centered, hence creating an environment for competency-based learning. Before using Abracadabra, the teacher will determine the skills they want to emphasize and the themes they want to cover and integrate them in the program. These skills and themes are available in the schemes of work and in the curriculum designs available for teachers. Abracadabra is divided into 4 modules, namely alphabetics, reading, understanding the story, and writing. It is within these 4 activities that listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills are located. Using these modules and the curriculum designs of work, the teacher decides on the specific skills that he or she wants the learners to acquire. To make it easy for the teachers, all these modules and their corresponding skills are well displayed in the teacher's module. So before the teacher decides or comes up with a lesson plan, they will need to go into the software and sign in. Mwalimu Shupavu. Shupavu is the password, is the username. And then they will get into the software. While within the software, they will click onto the R, which will direct them to the resource page. On this page, they will find the activities in a more detailed manner, the stories with the explanation, how to use Abracadabra. We even have videos of best practices and so on. So the teachers will click on the activities pane and decide in which of the 4 modules the activities they want are in. So for our case, the activities or the skills are within alphabetic. So the teacher will click onto alphabetics, and then within alphabetics, all the skills are displayed. So the teacher will determine on which skill do they want to enhance phonemic development or phonemic awareness for that particular lesson. Remember, our lesson is in week 3, lesson 2, which is reading and phonemic development. The specific learning outcome is develop knowledge of letter sound recognition. Okay? So within the learning experiences, the learners will one match the letter cards to sounds. Learners will search for letters with the same sound like the one given in the software. Now, this is the letter sound search, and this is what the teacher will go to, letter sound search. So once the teacher has determined that this is the activity they are going to use, then they will place it into their lesson plan, or they will write it within the lesson plan. While in the classroom, the teacher will ask the learners to open the software, log in, and go to Abracadabra. Within Abracadabra, the learners will click play, and the teacher will ask them to go to sound, letters, and words. The skills are all displayed here, and therefore the learners will go to letter sound search, and then they will click go. Just a recap of what we have said, that the teacher will determine what skills or what themes they want to cover by going through the curriculum design, the schemes of work, and this will be transferred onto the lesson plan. Secondly, the teachers need to know where the skill is available, and therefore they will go to the teacher's resource page that will help them to discover or to find out where the resource is. Also remember, we said that all these activities are multi-level. So even our activity is multi-level, it has 3 levels. So the teacher will decide based on the class what level is she going to use. Also notice that for the very young learners, the teacher will make use of the lowercase letters. Otherwise, the teacher could have made use of the uppercase letters. Thank you very much for listening.